I'm not. That's my sister's ID, Renelma. That's my sister. That's not me.
Why do you have her ID?
I just have it just because I have it. It was. I'm gonna give you mine.
A routine beach trip. A Florida mom. Kids in the back seat. What she said next put her in handcuffs.
Yeah, we're just coming from the beach.
If the reason for the stop because you were obstructing traffic by having your door wide open, and if I would have kept all going, your door would have got clipped with you in it.
Yeah, no, I know. I just opened the door. I had opened the door when I was right there, just because I had opened.
Did you drop something?
Yes.
What'd you drop?
I had dropped it.
Well, did y'all have fun at least?
Yes.
You have your license, registration, insurance?
Yes,
you said you were coming from the beach?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Like Pensacola Beach?
Yes, sir. I worked out there.
You looking for your ID? Because you put it in your bag.
I'm sorry?
You looking for your ID?
Yeah, I am looking for my ID.
You put it inside the bag. You had it in your hand, you put it inside the bag.
I'm sorry?
You had your ID in your hand and you put it in your bag.
Yeah. No, I'm not. That's my sister's ID, Renelma. That's my sister. That's not me.
Why do you have her ID?
I just have it just because I have it. It was. I'm gonna give you mine.
The reason I tried to double verify you come from the beach because the beach is that way and we were going that way.
Yeah, I came from that way. I work out there as well. We have the cooler. We have everything. We're coming from that way.
What's that?
I have medication. I haven't taken any of that. That's mine. My phone is dead. I'm coming from the beach. I'm just coming from the beach.
Are you alright? God. Whoops.
I'm just trying to get home. I'm just being honest.
Oh yeah, look at that. I don't think I've done anything to really.
I know. We were just on our way home. I'm willing to step out. You guys, I don't have any drugs or anything like that.
Here, well, I would like to step out. However, we're kind of in a pretty.
I'm not gonna lie. I've had one drink. I've had one drink with my friend at the beach.
Okay.
The stop was legally sound from the outset. A vehicle door open in active traffic satisfies the reasonable, articulable, suspicion standard established in Terry versus Ohio. Before any sobriety test was requested, the subject voluntarily admitted to consuming alcohol. The Supreme Court held in Berkemer versus McCarty that roadside statements require no Miranda warning. Fully admissible. There is no obligation to answer questions about alcohol consumption during a traffic stop. The Fifth Amendment applies at the roadside, not only after handcuffs are on. The officer administered the NHTSA standardized battery, horizontal gaze nystagmus, walk and turn, and one-leg stand. 2 or more clues on the walk and turn carries a 79% correlation with a blood alcohol level at or above 0.08. Field sobriety testing is voluntary in Florida. A driver may decline without license penalty. Participation here produced a documented evidentiary record that corroborated the prior admission.
Yeah, if you could go ahead, put those down and whatever, all that stuff in your hands, you could put that down back in the vehicle.
Yes, sir. Put it here.
Where is most convenient for you?
No, where do you want me to put it? We were just on our way out.
How about on the passenger seat? How about that?
Okay, can somebody pick that?
Yeah, well, I'll grab that for you once you get out.
Is that okay to just sit that there in the door?
You're perfectly fine.
Okay. You want me to get out?
If you could, please. Very slowly. Ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Just clear everything down there. Just go ahead and step out first, okay?
Yeah, I'm stepping out. I was putting, he said that I could get out. I was putting my shoe.
Okay.
Yeah,
Don't worry about that. You put that down. Just go ahead and step out.
it was between my shoes.
Perfect.
You can go ahead and set it down.
Okay. I voluntarily said to him that I would be stepping out.
Yeah,
Sorry?
He said he's going to make sure those two are okay back there.
Yeah, they are okay. They're fine.
So outside of you saying you had a drink,
I've had one drink, sir.
Okay.
I mean, well, I've had a drink and a half. If I need to walk or do anything like that, I'm willing to do that.
Okay. Yeah, so I was going to ask if you'd be willing to go ahead and do some serious field sobriety exercises. Those are what they call.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you put the cheese back?
Oh, I just sent one. Oh, where do I put it?
Back in the car.
I just have been at the beach.
Okay. Do you?
What about my phone?
You can put that in the front seat too. Yep.
It's my whole thing. I'll do whatever y'all need. I've had one drink. I've been honest with y'all.
Yes, ma'am.
I've had one drink.
Okay.
I know that whatever y'all need me to do, I'll do.
Feet together, hands down by your side. All right. You understand the instructions?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, can you come over here with me, please?
Young lady, if you would go ahead and stand right here. You may begin.
That's not. Do you want me to lunge or like? Just walk. I'm sorry. Like.
Heel to toe steps, ma'am, like I demonstrated.
I'm sorry. Can you? I don't know what you mean by heel to toe.
We have one more exercise to do. Okay. Raise your foot.
Here. What? Start.
Okay. Yep. You may begin.
6 inches. What?
Yes, 6 inches above the ground.
Like this. For how long?
You can relax. Alrighty. So you can relax. You set your phone down in the front seat. Actually, here, can you stand by his front bumper real quick, please?
Hey, can I have a seat over there in front of my car, okay?
No, if y'all are gonna call, what?
Here, ma'am, come over here with me. Come on.
I need to call.
Yeah, we'll get to that. Come over here.
Yeah, we'll get to that.
No.
Ma'am.
No.
Over here.
Come over here.
Hey,
Right
you
over
don't
here.
have to be aggressive.
We're not. This is being about as least aggressive as we can be. Okay.
Over here.
So we'll go right on over here.
Yeah, where are you gonna? We're gonna get to that. We're gonna talk about that right here, okay?
No. Can I
Stop.
call them? Let me call somebody.
Stop.
We will.
No, I just asked.
We will call somebody.
My phone is dead. Let me call my old man about my son.
Don't resist.
No. DJ! Come here!
Go, tell him.
Why y'all really?
You're under arrest for DUI.
But y'all can call
We're going to
my
let you.
phone is dead.
So how are you gonna call someone from a dead phone?
It's still y'all
Okay,
can
so we can let you call someone. Just because you're in handcuffs doesn't mean you can't get a call. All right. But I wasn't going to sit there and handcuff you in front of your kids. All right.
It doesn't matter.
So we will be able to get that phone.
Man, I just can't. Y'all can't follow me home.
No, we have a zero tolerance policy.
Really?
What?
Really?
What?
Can't follow. Really?
No.
Really? I need to call my sister.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get all that taken care of, okay? But can you turn around for me right now? You spread your feet for me.
Here.
You're all right.
I've
Relax.
had one drink at the beach.
Relax.
Go ahead. Lift it up. Lift it up. Boom.
Relax.
Lift it up.
Relax.
Damn.
What are you doing? What are we doing?
Taking it off.
You're fine. Let it go. Let it go. Let it
I don't
go.
have anything.
Let it go.
Not with my kids.
Let it go.
No weird ass bitch. Darnell! Call them! Call your mama! Hey, you ain't gotta kick me. Don't kick me.
Stop.
I'm just letting them know
You're
to
yelling.
call.
Calm down.
No. Where's my car going?
We're trying to figure all that out for you right now. All right. Hey, if you got anything stuffed anywhere that we didn't find, when you go to the jail, it's going to be another charge.
Stuff? I don't have anything stuffed, baby.
Okay.
You've been here.
Okay.
Here.
No, listen.
Strip me. Take me.
Okay.
Take me naked.
All right, here we go. Let's go.
That's what.
Just sit her down.
No.
Are we putting her?
No, let's go.
I'll
What
move
about my kids?
I'll move my car.
No, my kids and my car. My kids and my car.
I'll move my car.
No.
We're going. Yeah, we're
Let's have a
going.
seat.
We're going. Get in. Get in.
What's your name?
Officer Thompson. Get in.
Officer what?
Officer Thompson. Swing your legs in.
Thompson what?
Let's go.
Thompson what? Thompson what? Thompson what?
There's nothing after Thompson.
What about my car?
Hey, I can.
Somebody call my house.
If you stop screaming, can you stop screaming?
my child.
I'm trying to, but you keep screaming. Listen, I'm trying. Stop screaming at me.
Trying to pull in here to get away from you?
No, that's just how her poor driving was.
Hey,
Because she was standing outside in the middle of Cervantes as I'm rolling by with like her door wide open. I hit my brakes and the traffic behind me has to stop because she's just got the door wide open in the middle of traffic. So I pull around, hit the lights. She comes over, she drives over, right over the little triangle barrier over here. Oh. That was in the...
Right here, stuffed right here. These are all right here in this passenger.
Goodness gracious.
I feel like there's gonna be more.
I mean, if you would have seen the way she was acting,
Oh, I saw the way she was acting up there.
just getting through the initial stop was pain. Goodness. There's weed on the brush.
Yeah, there's weed in here too. It's not a lot, but it's like
Enough.
I'm gonna test this really quick.
Okay. There's also, AG, there's also probably narcotics too. Oh, okay. Because there's some here in the door.
I mean,
So I would say collectively, that's probably 0.1, 0.2.
yeah,
Oh my lord.
you're gonna. Yikes.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that breath test.
Oh, she agreed?
This is my second coke DUI in a week.
she got alcohol on board too. That's why I smelled at the window.
I'm the sister, like, it might be better if she can give y'all information, like, you know what I mean? Like,
She's real amped up right now.
that's what I'm saying. Can I
So,
see my that's all I'm
sure.
trying to say.
Just hang tight.
Hey, listen. Stop. Hey, listen, I need you. Hey, I need you. No, you're wrong. Melanie, hey, listen, stop. Look at me. How about you look, Melanie? Hey, Melanie, stop. Look at me now. Not wrong. Melanie.
All right, door's about to close.
Melanie, listen, I did this, and he did this for me. I'm asking you to calm down. He only opened it for me. Get Boogie home to Dale. Okay. Get Boogie home to Dale. He opened it. Get Boogie home to Dale. Rookies. Rookies. He opened it for me.
Oh man. Oh man.
I mean, it's not funny.
I got.
Come on, bro.
Hey, if you don't stop, you're gonna get hobbled. Your son is right there. Hey, if you don't stop, you're gonna get hobbled.
I'm on my way home. Don't manhandle me.
Come on.
I ain't going nowhere. Don't manhandle me. Oh, I am gonna get out.
Go ahead.
I'm getting out. Don't manhandle me.
Come on.
Where I'm going with these cuffs on.
I'll let you know.
I know you got that. Hey, don't manhandle me. Sir, I don't need you to do all that.
Come on.
Hey, get your hands off of me,
Get out of the car.
I'm getting out.
Then let's go.
Sir,
No.
I'm getting out. Get your hands
Come
off
on.
of me.
Let's go.
Get your hands off of me. I'm getting out. Get your
Get out.
hands off of me.
Get out.
Sir.
Get out while I'm pulling you
Sir,
out.
I'm getting out.
Then
Stop.
get out.
Stop.
Then
You
get out.
shaking. Stop. I'm getting out.
Then come
You
on.
don't have to manhandle me.
Then come
Stop.
Come on. Get out.
I'm getting out. Look,
You're not. You're not moving your
Look
legs.
at you.
Let's go.
Sir.
Let's go.
I am.
You are not. Move your
Sir.
feet. Let's go.
I have
Let's
a
go.
rod in my right leg. I'm getting out.
Okay.
Let go of
let's
my
go.
arm.
No. Let's go.
Bro,
Get
y'all
out.
got me cuffed and everything. I'm getting out. You don't have to you don't gotta manhandle me, man.
I'm not. I'm literally holding on to you.
You don't have to hold on to me. I can get out by myself, man. Move.
Get out.
Let go of me, please,
Get
sir.
out.
Sir.
Get out.
Let go of me.
Get out.
Sir, I'm trying to get
Come on. Get out.
I have a rod in my leg. Please let go of me, man. Let go of me,
That's
man.
got nothing to do with me
I'm
holding
getting
your arm.
out. Just let go of me, man.
Get out. Jesus
I'm trying
Christ.
to get out. I don't need you to move. Let
don't
go
have
of my
that
arm. No, sir, I have a rod. Why are you there? You go manhandling me. Let
I'm
go of my
literally holding
arm.
on to you.
Where am I going with these? You see how you dragging me?
Because you're resisting and not walking.
No.
So how about you sit down? You better resist.
Sorry, sir. I ain't no been resisting.
Sit.
Stop, man. I'm sitting. Let go of me. Stop manhandling me. Let go of me. Now
Florida Statute 316.193 does not require a specific blood alcohol threshold. Impairment to the extent normal faculties are affected is sufficient. Combined with the admission and failed field sobriety tests, probable cause was established. Post-arrest refusal to exit the vehicle constitutes resisting without violence under Florida Statute 843.0-2. The Supreme Court held in Pennsylvania versus Mims that compliance with an exit order is not optional. Refusal added a separate criminal charge. The physical extraction involves soft, empty hand control only. No strikes, no taser. Under Graham versus Connor, force is judged by objective reasonableness at the moment of application. The force used was proportionate to the resistance encountered. The post-arrest vehicle search is authorized under Arizona versus Gant, where officers have reason to believe the vehicle contains evidence of the offense of arrest. A DUI arrest satisfies that standard. The search yielded marijuana, cocaine, and alcohol containers, with children present throughout the stop. Florida Statute 827.0-3 defines felony child neglect as exposing a minor to conditions creating risk of harm. This met that threshold. Charges filed: DUI, resisting without violence, felony child neglect, felony cocaine possession. The state declined to prosecute the felony counts. On August 7, 2025, no contest plea to DUI, probation, resisting charge dismissed, case closed. Officer Thompson, B+. The stop, field sobriety administration, and arrest decision each followed. Established legal and HITSA protocol. Force remained at the minimum, effective level, throughout a prolonged, emotionally volatile encounter. De-escalation was consistent and deliberate. Grade withheld from A. Bystander management failed when the subject's sister approached an active arrest scene without officer intervention. A designated cover officer earlier would have prevented the added complexity. Melanie C. 3 decisions compounded her legal exposure independently of each other. First, the voluntary alcohol admission unprompted, pre-test, fully admissible, under Berkemer. It provided the probable cause foundation for the entire arrest. Second, consenting to voluntary field sobriety tests added documented, objective evidence against her. Both decisions reflect a critical gap in Fifth Amendment awareness that is common and costly. Third, post-arrest resistance generated a separate misdemeanor charge under Florida Statute 843.0-2. It did not prevent arrest. It extended legal exposure with no legal benefit. The narcotics in a vehicle with minors represent the case's most serious legal dimension, independent of the DUI entirely. The state's decision not to prosecute felony counts likely reflected the subject's overall cooperative posture after arrest. Key takeaways. 1. The right to remain silent begins at the first question, not at arrest. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, anything said roadside is admissible. Invoke the right early, invoke it politely. 2. Field sobriety testing is voluntary, declining is legal, and carries no license consequences in Florida. Know the difference between implied consent and voluntary field testing. 3. Resisting a lawful arrest is always a separate offense. Under Florida Statute 843.0-2, the appropriate challenge to an unlawful arrest is a courtroom motion, not roadside noncompliance. 4. Narcotics and minors in the same vehicle create independent felony exposure under Florida Statute 827.0-3. Regardless of any other charge, each offense stands alone. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.